I'm replacing these coil pack connectors for this 2005 Honda Odyssey. It's like broken. Replace the spark plug in the coil pack or cop coil unplug, and then this got brittle. It's all broken. Almost all of them are broken. So got this replacement from eBay, and gonna pop this off. Just use a flathead screwdriver. Gently pry it up. Comes off like that. And for these wires, first it's a good idea to take a picture of this color. So when we put them on, make sure the wires going to the right slot. So this one is brown, white brown on the right, black in the center, and then the last one is white and black on the left side. With this, the orientation, so I got it wrong here, like this. It should be like this. So white black on the right, black on the center, and white brown on the left. Here's the release tab, and it's missing here. It's got brittle and broken. And I'm going to take a picture of this. I don't know if you can see it in the picture clearly, but the white black on the right, black on the center, and white brown on the left. So keep them in mind. I'm going to snap a picture. I can zoom in later to see. And to get it off, and these are held by a small tab inside, so you got to go at an angle like so, right above that connector. Go at an angle down, and then push it down, and then pull the wire off. Comes off just like that. That's off. So one out, and the next one, same. Go at an angle like this with a small flathead, and go at an angle, and then pinch it, and then pull that off. Then apply some pressure to get it off. An angle, push it down, and then there, off. And then the last one, there, off. Oh, the center one is still being held. Just go down a little bit, and then there. Got them all off. There. And I'm gonna take this off and hook them up. Simple as that. Here's the aftermarket version. Have the blue tabs on. Then go an angle, push it down, then get the old one off, one out. The second one, again, go at an angle towards the pin, go down, and find the black tab. It's right at the bottom, and then push it, pull the wire off. A little difficult. There. Make sure it's visible. That one's not coming out that easy. I'm going to use pick on this one. It's a Harbor Freight pick. There, came off like that. It's kind of like a learn process. Come from there, and this one came up pretty easily. The pick works better, and then when you put it back, make sure the orientation of the pin is on the bottom as it goes in, and that's the orientation. Goes off That's the pin at the bottom, right here. So the release tab is on the right, and then it goes in here, click, and then light tug, you know it's locked in. So go back in, push it on, there you go. Then I'm gonna hook up the new one. So now time to hook up the new one. Is the new one with the tab and the white black on the right, the black on the center, and then the white brown bottom. Then just want to go in there, push it all the way, locked in. Hear the click. Now we're good to go. And I'm debating whether I should use the old one or use the new one. They almost look alike. Use the new one. Then push it in, locked. Now there's the old one, there's the new one, and let's see how it fits on the coil. I hope it locks in. Let's see if you can hear the click. Hold on. Now I heard the click. Now it's fully locked in. One done, 5 more to go.